Blockchain is moving the world into a new technological paradigm, where traditional business models are bound to be disrupted. Are you ready to keep pace and move forward with it? Step into the future today with this video on private blockchain and get the PPT set along with it to take that first step. Bring awareness to the future of private blockchain technology with a download of this PPT set. Not only that, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. Educate your team on private blockchain type. Use this PPT slide to showcase its characteristics such as access, higher transaction rate, security, and more. Use this PPT preset to familiarize with the advantages of a private blockchain such as enhanced privacy, high energy efficiency, and better scalability. This also answers the why question that naturally comes to mind. No technology is always rainbows and sunshine. This PPT template lets you in on the cons of the private blockchain technology. Download this PPT bundle to prepare for the future. For more such templates, visit www.slideteam.net.